Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can slow up your accessibility reader speed in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak option over here. Once you click on that, you will get these options over here. So you will see over here at the last second option over here, speak rates. Once you drag it to the left, it's gonna be used as the slow speed that you want to adjust it. So that's it. That's how you can do it. You
Speak
can simply
selection,
drag it to the left and it's
selected
gonna be
content.
slow of speaking rate of the accessibility reader. Once you do or once you satisfied with this, you can go
Speak
back and
selection,
that's it. That's
selected
how you
content.
can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.